A tactical belt is used to carry extra gear and shows extreme durability. The best tactical belts are made of strong webbing and durable buckles. They stay in place even when you hang additional gear, like radio, mags, and handcuffs. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best tactical belts on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Jukmo Tactical Belt. Jukmo is another high-quality tactical belt suitable for law enforcement, sport, and other tactical users. This model is upgraded with more adjustability to get a good fit. My favorite part of the belt is the quick-release buckle made of aluminum alloy. I can easily adjust a metal buckle to my desired length within a few seconds. Unlike my old tactical leather belt, I don't need to tug or fight with Jukmo because the buckle can be removed to let the belt pull off with a single easy motion. The quick-release mechanism is the same as how a seat belt would works. Moreover, the nylon material itself feels sturdy with a slight stretch to it for a little flexibility. Notably, it makes sliding tactical gear through it a breeze. I don't like a belt that's too tight, so the little elasticity provides excellent comfort when wearing a holster or other tactical equipment. This nylon tactical belt is as wide and thin as a regular leather belt, which is exactly what I was looking for in a good hiking belt. Thanks to the satisfaction guarantee, I'm confident with the quality of this tactical web belt. Number 2. Josgood Nylon Military Tactical Belt. Josgood's tactical belt is better than most nylon belts, with its secure buckle clip and soft, breathable strap. This military belt is more suitable for summer because the material is breathable and lightweight. The plastic buckle seems solid and locks tight. I highly appreciate that the package comes with an additional buckle, so I can still use this belt if the original buckle breaks accidentally. At a half-inch thick, this tactical belt isn't bulky at all. I like the nylon webbing construction because it quickly dried once I got caught in the rain. Best of all, the strap is easy to trim to the desired length. I cut the strap with a single edge razor and melted the end with a butane lighter to prevent fraying. One of the best features of this tactical belt is the price. I think it's reasonable, given the quality it offers. However, buckling the belt is a little awkward at first. To slide the end through the buckle more quickly, we recommend users move the buckle to an angle so the locking teeth are far flung. Number 3. Wayu's 2-pack nylon webbing belt. Wayu's offers the best value with its 2-pack nylon belt. The nylon belts are lightweight and soft to wear for any occasion, whether for work or play. The belts are designed with a thick plastic buckle, making it easy to go through the metal detectors. Knowing too well that all IC hardware is corrosion resistant and extra durable, I believe that this buckle will also last for a very long. Another good thing is that the buckle doesn't slip at all. I'm a fan of the nylon webbing construction, especially the patterns, because they stand out a little from generic belts. The nylon material is a little stretchy, so it moves with each of my movements. I'm pleased that the belt doesn't cinch tight whenever I bend over to pick something. I appreciate that the belts come in different colors. I got the black and coyote tan variety, which looks good on any color of pants. Also, the strap seems easy to trim to my preferred length. My only complaint is that the buckle locks so tight that it's a little challenging to loosen it. I got used to it, though, after many uses. Number 4. 5.11 Tactical Men's 1.5-inch Tactical Belt, Style 59551. The 59551 is one of my favorite styles from 5.11 tactical belts, with its solid construction. The 5.11 tactical belt feels super light for all emergency situations compared to my old leather tactical belt. The 5.11 men's tactical belt features a higher resistance plastic buckle that won't pinch or cut. Fortunately, the tactical belt buckle is made of heavy-duty plastic that won't break quickly. I can easily adjust the belt using the buckle, and it seems pretty secure without any Velcro involved. The nylon webbing material seems strong enough to handle any weight, whether it's a gun or flashlight. I'm pleased that it's strong enough to hold my P320 in place. I think the durable nylon can even be used as a tie-down for equipment or cargo during travel. What interested me the most was the price. This 5.11 tactical belt has an affordable price. The design of the belt is also simple, so it looks good on jeans. My only dislike is that the plastic buckle tends to stick out because the 2 layers of the belt are folded on top of each other. After a week of breaking in, the bulkiness seems to disappear. Number 5. JumboFit Tactical Belt for Men and Women. JumboFit makes a perfect EDC belt as it can carry a few accessories for outdoor activities like hiking and camping. The package already includes a mall pouch and water bottle clip, providing the best value for money. Altogether, the JumboFit Tactical Belt offers the best bundle for keeping tools and accessories on the waist. This tactical gear belt seems to be built of a hard-wearing buckle design. The buckle is made of aviation class 70-75 aluminum alloy, which demonstrates an impressive strength threshold. It keeps getting direct hits, and I didn't notice any damage at all. The 1000D nylon material is built to last with its tear-resistant qualities. I like that it stretches a little to stay comfortable in any strenuous activity, but remains solid to keep the pouch in place. The stitching also seems strong enough to hold up well after being under stress for extended periods. I love the mall pouch, especially the multiple compartments that hold small tools and phones. Even after loading to full capacity, the pouch still remains comfortable and doesn't get in the way. Also, the water bottle clip is still comfortable to wear when holding up regular bottles. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.